step into the Dodge 2016 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: GPS navigation system, Sirius XM traffic, leather interior group, premium sound group, quick order package, 24 grams RT Scat Pack, 18 speakers, premium audio system, 5-year Sirius XM traffic service and 5-year Sirius XM travel link service. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.